Today I'm going to show you how to use keyframes to animate video clips in CapCut. So we're going to use keyframes here. Keyframes are fantastic to manually create animations, and it gives you a lot of control. It does take some time to understand how it actually works, so give yourself the time to learn. Select the clip that you'd like to create your keyframes on, and you'll see on the top right we have our scale, which essentially is our zoom for our video clip. Okay, so let's say we want to keep this at this pace right here. So under transform, there are a few different keyframes that you can use. So you can use the zoom keyframe. So this will be this one here. You can also use the position keyframe and the rotation keyframe. So let's say that we want this to slowly zoom. We want to go and select this here, and we want to push play, and we want to pause, and this is where we want it to move to. At this point, we want this to be in a different position. So let's say we want to make this slightly zoomed in. Let's say 120%. Let's just drag this back to the front. This is what it will look like. Now, if you select here, you'll see this is your keyframe. So let's say if you move it further away, it will move slower. If you move it closer, you'll see it'll move faster. And let's say that you would like to just click on it, delete it. Let's say we'd like to first let it stand still. So let's create another keyframe over here, and then we want it to make a slow movement. So let's just increase it over here, and it'll look like this. Okay. So that is the scale. Let's use the position over here. So let's say we want to position this from the beginning. We want this to be 0, 0 as it is now. And as this is going through, let's say on this keyframe over here, we want the position. We can do this two ways. We can either dial in the position here, or we can click down on the actual clip and we can, let's say, move it about over there. Now you will see this will slowly move as you've seen it here. Now, just to show you properly what this will actually look like, let's just move this like this. Let's do that. We're going to remove all keyframes. Okay, so let's take this one. Let's delete it. Let's take this one. We're going to go up over here. We're going to delete this keyframe. What we want to do is we want to make this smaller. We're going to put this right over here in the corner. So let's just make it 70. Put it in the corner. And it's going to move from here. Let us just make a move from there. Here we are going to add the transform keyframe. This will literally select all of the keyframes here. Let's move it here. Let's play it for a little bit. Let's move it here. Let's play it for a little bit. Let's move it back over here. Let's play it for a little bit. Let's move it back there. Play it for a little bit. And now we make it 100%. We put it back where it was originally. This is what it will look like. All right, practice with your keyframes and make something magical.